Imagine your summer with $30,000 extra in your bank. This is not a dream. Let's make it your reality in just 90 days. Hey there. Are you tired of watching summer after summer go by, wishing you had more financial freedom to truly enjoy it? Well, what if I told you that you could add $30,000 extra to your bank account by the end of this summer? With our proven system, countless individuals like yourself have transformed their financial futures.
Hey y'all, my name is Erica Walker, and back in December, whenever I was looking for a work from home position or something that I could do from home to work around my family, I stumbled across Michelle's live and was intrigued by the six figure blueprint. So, whenever I saw her success and I started seeing every day the successes that she was having, I was like, oh my gosh, I can do this. Or I can't do this, but I can do this. So I purchased the blueprint, and I'm going to tell you what I love so much about this blueprint is it gives you step by step exactly how to be successful. And what's not in that blueprint, it's in our online community. Our online community is second to none. So this training is one of the top-notch trainings I think that is out there. I took other trainings before this program, and it was nothing compared to this.
So, are you ready to take control of your finances and make this summer one to remember? Don't let another summer slip away. Join us today and make your financial dreams a reality. Start your journey to financial freedom now.